Today, I'll walk you through how to sync Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect these two powerful tools so you can streamline your scheduling and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. This is where all the magic begins. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features will be the same. Once you're in Google Calendar, take a look at the right pane of your screen. Here you should see a plus button. Click on that plus button. This action will lead you to the Google Workspace Store where you can find various integrations. Now in the search bar of the Google Workspace Store, type Microsoft Teams. This will help you locate the integration you need. Once you find it, click on the Install button. This will initiate the installation process for Microsoft Teams within your Google Calendar. Next, you will be prompted to grant permissions for the integration. Click on the Continue button to proceed. This step is crucial as it allows Microsoft Teams to access your calendar events. After that, Google will request additional permissions. Just click Continue again. This is a standard procedure to ensure that everything works smoothly between the two applications. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you will receive a notification confirming that Microsoft Teams has been successfully added to your calendar. Just click Done to finalize the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully synced Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. Now you can manage your meetings and schedules more effectively, ensuring that you never miss an important event. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.